The track cross-section command will help clean up cross-sections that may have come in from the importation of a bad CAD file where lines are on the same layer and you want to make sure that they're on the top or the bottom. So what you're able to do is go to the corridors tab, click on track cross-section. What you probably want to do too is isolate the layer. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to pick this centerline layer, and I'm just going to view only that layer. So you can see here when you view only that layer that I've got data on both along the bottom and along the top. So what I can do here is select by layer, pick this object and select all of this, and then use the top to track, and we'll go ahead and set this on a layer. Let's go ahead and make a new layer called sections, or we'll just call it top FG, and we'll click close. And for a tolerance, we'll just give it a 0.1. Now you want to make sure your tolerance isn't too large, otherwise it'll try to track in the wrong direction. So I'm going to click apply, and you're going to see that 44 lines were created, and what it's done is it's basically made a line string along the top and put it on another layer. So now I can use this to create my stored cross sections.